Let's get it, boys. Woohoo!
My launch are jumping that left pen. There's a creamer in that pen.
Oh no, tumbleweed goes over here.
Grass.
Watch out! There's still a light pole. You lost a spur.
Yeah, I told you it was loose.
Don't worry, I had you back. I took care of that bull. Pressed out a little bit. You got him all good, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. How's the ground? It was good. It was good.
Not too bad?
No.
Alright, load those two guys.
We're getting dust.
Slides. Why am I on slides? They're not even working. Alright, back off the chutes a little bit and go more towards their butts.
Come on. Hey.
Yeah. Put that back, put pressure on with that backslide. Pressure. Alright, pull this slide. Let's go. Pull this slide right here.
I use that brown is what gives you the hump right there.
Some other breeds have hump, but definitely look at that. Like, look at my mini bull over there.
Oh yeah.
Let go. There's that. Now you can put your rope on. I'll get it. Or is this your rope? Right here?
Yeah, it is my rope.
Okay.
I got one more.
What percentage are we at?
For your phone?
Yeah. All right. Now work in there. All right. There you go. That's all you got. Now, give me a second back here. Let me flank him.
Oh wait, he'll be gone.
Give me a second. Get a good wrap. Make sure it stays tight.
Yeah, so just come in here.
All right, wait, don't move. He'll come up. Spur him up. Spur him.
Fuck, you got my foot.
You got your foot good?
All right. It's gonna be stuck. Oh, cool. You're good.
Got it, bro. All right, ready.
Go.
Right? Oh, yeah. Guy smoked you. No, you're back. You okay, bro?
Yeah, you wanna close
Good.
that gate?
All right, we're here with Miles. He works at Black Diamond Land Works. He's a construction guy. He works heavy equipment all day. He's gonna ride his first bull ever, Creamer. What are you thinking?
I'm gonna fall off.
He thinks he's gonna fall off. That is not the confidence I like to hear, but you know what? If you just listen and stay on your rope and look down and chest out, get over that bull, you got him all day. All right. My microphone's a little dirty, but yeah, this is Cream Pie, Creamer, lots of names. He's just a pup. But yeah, here we go. Grab these little strings, pull those tight.
His leg. Where to get caught?
You getting on flighty now or what?
Your leg just came up in the air.
I think so, yeah.
I don't know. I
I thought
missed.
he just fucking launched it straight backwards.
I don't even fucking know.
Like I thought, what it looked like from that gate is as he came out, you just went.
First bull ever. Let's get it.
Quit.
I missed.
Yeah, don't get your toes in there.
Drop him down.
Break your toes.
Come on, hey, look this way.
Yeah, one of you with a good leg. Push on his shoulder with your leg.
Use your knees, Miles. Shove your foot down and push him over. Use your knees. Be tough. You're stronger than this sucker.
No, gee.
We'll just pretend you are.
That's...
I don't know if there's much wrong with
Listen
it.
up, Ben.
Is he
Listen up.
not taking horizon?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
You're good, Miles. Keep working. Okay, now put your hand on that rope.
I all the way to the slot.
Yep.
And then hold it in there.
Pull that thing real tight, sucking them up. Take her out now. We ain't no golfers. All right. Wrap that thing around your hand, Miles.
Take a bubble, or is
Yeah.
he going for it? Wrap?
No, he's going for it.
Okay.
Wrap that there. Pull that through, make sure it's flat.
It's the one that will just come undone.
Yeah. So here's what you got it. Let go. Dude, you didn't break my helmet, did you? You okay, Miles? You alright? Breathe. You alright?
Yeah.
What did he hit?
My head on something. Saw stars.
That was
there.
awesome job for your first bull ride ever. What do you think?
It's pretty fun.
You alright?
Did better than expected.
What hurt?
My head hurts a little bit, but I'm fine.
Good thing you got the trusty dandy 100X. Keeping you out there safe.
Did it get the horn?
Yeah, what was it?
It was the game.
How's it walk?
The ground, the horn, it was both.
Yeah.
So you can fight.
I'll video for Corbin.
Dre, you can flank him.
And
Together,
have
one
a
guys.
flank on, so we just opened it. And he came out and made a hard 90 and then made another hard 90 and he
7 of us. You're jumping on his head, right?
Yeah, at that point, just shoot him.
pick one.
We have to be standing, break it.
He ended up under the cow.
Oh.
It didn't work.
Crawl up. A little tighter. What? Cool.
He tried to bug his head and ended up just getting run over this way into the dirt.
That was 10.
That was nice.
They don't know me, son. They don't know me, son. Hey, hey.
What?
You know what they say? Church Silas. You know what they say? Third time's a charm, baby. Roll a clip. Think. You got this, stud. Let's go. Stay on that rope. When you're coming out of the chute, get over your rope and lift. Get over it and lift. Lift now, stud. Let's go. Good.
What are we getting on Trump?
I'm gonna check his side real quick.
You could, boy.
Alright.
Alright, go
Alright,
ahead.
Miles rode his first bull. Miles, what do you think? Real quick. What do you think after you hit your head? You came in the chute, you didn't know what was going on. What do you think?
It went better than expected.
It went better than expected, he says. Pretty fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad you had fun. Well, I guess on to the next one. Consider subscribing. Ben, anything for the viewers?
Just subscribe, give us a thumbs up.
Oh, also,
I got Adam.
everyone say hi to Ben. He's working the back pens. He's a hard worker. Say hi to Dre. He's bullfighting. Here, let me cut that other person off. You can't. Oh, and then
The new ranch dog.
we got the new ranch dog. His name is Roscoe. On to the next one. See you guys soon.